Welcome, beloved couples, to this guided couples meditation of heart-to-heart remembrance and union of your love of two souls as one.
We are grateful for you choosing to enhance your relationship with each other in mind, body, and soul ascending together.
Find a comfortable position lying down on the bed, on the floor, sitting in chairs, or on the floor with pillows and blankets. You just want to be able to eventually place your hand on your partner's heart later on. You are invited into a safe, intimate, sacred space of connection, a space where you do not need to perform, explain, or defend, only to arrive and just be. Let this moment be a pause in time where nothing else matters, a gentle return to one another, a remembering of the love that lives beneath anything else.
Tonight, we gather not as roles, not as parents, partners, or responsibilities, but as two souls who once recognized one another beyond words, beyond language, beyond fear, beyond condition. A spark that was never accidental, a meeting that carried memory. In a world that hardens the heart, this is an invitation to soften, to come home, to the place where love was never forgotten, only waiting to be revived and strengthened again.
This is a guided heart chakra meditation for couples. The heart chakra is the center of love, compassion, trust, forgiveness, and emotional safety. It is the bridge between body and soul, between you and another. When the heart is open, love does not require effort. Connection feels natural again. Throughout this journey, you will be guided through gentle breath, deep inner reflection, and moments of intentional physical touch of each other and self. At times, a hand on your own heart, at times, a hand on your partner's heart. These gestures speak directly to the nervous system, reminding the body, I am safe, I am seen, I am loved.
Your eyes will remain closed for this entire meditation. Let the heart lead, let the mind rest. There will be a few moments where we invite you to softly speak short phrases aloud, simple truths spoken from the heart. Everything else unfolds in silence. Breathe calmly like a steady ocean tide, in and out, slow and even. Now place one hand gently on your own heart. Begin an ocean-like breath. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose for a 4 count. Exhale through the mouth for a 6 count. Like waves of rising and retreating in the ocean. Let's breathe together. Now silently reflect. Do I feel safe enough to soften right now? What would it feel like to let love lead again?
Feel your body supported, held by the earth, held by this moment. With every exhale, let the shoulders melt, the jaw unclench, the belly release. Silently reflect, what have I been carrying in my heart that I no longer wish to hold? Bring awareness to the space beneath your palm. Imagine a soft green or rose gold light glowing in your chest. Warm, alive, gentle. With every ocean slow inhale, it expands. With every long exhale, it softens. The heart does not demand, it invites. Silently reflect, when did my heart begin to protect instead of trust? Choose to hide and not be seen.
Let the breath remain calm and rhythmic. Silently reflect without judgment. Where have I closed my heart to protect myself? What did that protection give me, and what did it cost me? Keep your hand on your heart. Every heart carries shadows, unspoken hurts, unmet needs, moments where love felt unsafe. Silently reflect to your own self, what part of me feels unseen or unheard in this relationship? What has my heart been quietly asking for? No blame, no judgments, only truth brought to the surface.
Now, reflect gently. What part of my partner's pain have I misunderstood? Where might fear have spoken louder than love? Let compassion rise.
Now slowly and gently place one hand on your partner's heart, keeping your eyes shut, placing that hand gently on their heart and chest. Feel their breath rise and fall, their warmth, their humanity, their energy. Do not fix, do not analyze, just witness, just be, as you continue to breathe with one another in silence. Keeping your hand still on your partner's heart, silently reflect, what do I remember loving about you before the world hardened us? What did I first recognize in you before life layered us with fear? Continue to breathe with your hand on that heart and reflect.
Imagine a gentle stream of light flowing between your hearts. With each inhale, receive love. With each exhale, offer love. Silently reflect, what does my soul still recognize in yours? What truth has never left, even in difficult seasons? Now, still keeping your hand on your partner's heart.
Now, softly, out loud, speak these words. I am here with you.
You are safe with my heart.
I am here with you.
You are safe with my heart.
I am here with you.
You are safe with my heart. Forgiveness is not agreement, it is freedom. Silently reflect, what resentment am I ready to loosen for my own peace? Breathe it out slowly, like waves dissolving sand. Still keeping your hand on your partner's heart.
Just feeling their breath, feeling the chest rise and fall, feeling the heartbeat, the warmth, the energy between. Now gently reflect, what apology lives in my own heart, even if it has never spoken? What would humility feel like in my body? Let humility soften the chest and soften the heart as you continue to have your hand on your partner's heart.
I release what no longer serves love.
I choose love over fear, and speak these aloud in your own gentle voice.
I release what no longer serves love.
I choose love over fear.
I release what no longer serves love.
I choose love over fear. Now gently put your hand on your partner's heart still if you'd like, or you can grab their hand and gently hold their hand. Feel the bridge of connection. Feel the beating heart. Feel the warmth. Feel the love itself. Like the mighty ocean, calm breath continues, slow, enduring, unshakable.
Gently take your hand off your partner's heart, eyes shut still. In a few breaths, and when you feel ready, you will gently open your eyes on the third breath. Breathe in and out 3 times. Out.
And open.
Without speaking, look into the eyes of your partner. No stories, no fixing, just presence. Let yourselves remain here, heart to heart, for a few quiet moments.
Now, only if you feel comfortable, and this is up to your own choice, embrace with a warm hug. Maybe it's a hug you hold for 10 seconds or 30 seconds, whatever feels right. If you feel comfortable, a kiss. Kiss on the lips, kiss on the forehead, only if it feels right for you both. We are grateful for you sharing this sacred space with us of love.
May the love you touched here continue to shine brightly in your lives. We send you loving energy in abundance of love, light, and life. Remain here as long as you wish.